What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this quick entertainment before you even knew what entertainment. We got lacing tutorial going on today, y'all. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute. I really haven't. Like, I can't remember the last one. But yes, I do like doing them. I always like to explain to you guys, dressing up the shoe, lacing it correctly or whatever is always just a thing of mine, you know what I mean? I see mad people with fire kicks, like fire kicks, and the joints just be laced with the bow lace, and it got strings going this way, strings going that way. It just looks crazy, you know what I mean? So I like to dress up the shoes, you know what I mean? Like look at this. This is dressed up. Like, look, it's never gonna go any, you know what I mean, different than this. This is gonna always stay like this. It's fire, nice loose lace. It looks dope on feet. It's not tied here. Like, how would you lace these? You know what I mean? Another one, dressed up. You know, you don't even see the lace hanging. You know what I mean? You just got pure lace right here. You can see it. Boom, just gives off a nice, dope side profile view of the shoe. It's not tied down and your toe bulging out looking crazy sick. Jordan 1s. You know, off-white one, fire, lace, nice loose lace job with the joint dropping, everything. Always lace up your shoes, dress them up perfectly. But today, we're talking about dunks. This is how I lace my dunks. But before we get into this video, I stopped at Request Boutique out there in Greensboro today, and I was able to see the Travis Scott dunks in hand. These were fire. So before we get into the video, let's roll that clip real quick. YouTube, man, I'm over here at Request Boutique, and I'm out here for work, of course, in Greensboro, but they just hit me up, let me know they had some heat out here. So let's go check this out real quick, see what they look like in hand. Yo, these are insane, bro. I'm telling you, these are retarded. Oh my God. Yo, if I'm almost putting these as sneaker of the year right here. These are that crazy. That crazy. So soft right here in the toe box. Oh my God. If you telling me this ain't about to be, yo, I'm definitely resale. Hopefully I can get it for retail, but if I can't, definitely resale is going to be it. Like, I don't even care the price. Wow. They're so soft in hand. Extra laces, you got the black and the pink. Man, these are crazy. Yep, gotta get them. Got to get them. Your boy need these ASAP. Yeah, man, let me get on out of here though. These are crazy. Hit y'all with some B-roll real quick.
Over, they be scared, sorry, fuck her till she knocked out, baby, wake up to the sunrise. Vampire shorty up her blood, she kissed me in the moonlight. Fuck me in the moonlight, little baby, love me, on me real tight when I'm shaking. White hole throwing up in my new Mercedes. When she bring my heart, I'm thinking no girl like a daisy. Little bit wanna fuck me, ha 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 ha. Little bit wanna fuck me, ha 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 ha. Bitch, still loving. Yeah, still loving, yeah.
Alright, wasn't those fresh? I mean, come on, those was fire. Like, that's it. I told them when they get a size 12 in before or after, you know, retail drop, because you know on the 29th they're gonna drop, and everybody in them, I think even Travis Scott won't take an L on those shoes. That's how bad it is. But yes, I will be trying to get those out. I'll pay the resale. I got you. I'll do it. You got me. I will do it. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into the lace tutorial, because I got some fire. I wanted to show you guys the loose lace with the crisscross eyes on the eyelids. Let's get into it. Y'all. So for these right here, for the left shoe, we're going to put the dark green laces that it comes with right here. Let me show you guys how I do that. Now, y'all know on dunks, they have this little tab right here. I like to go on the inside of this tab right here. Check it out. Right here, I like to go on the inside. I don't know, it just gives me a more bulkier, cool look or whatever. A lot of people say the real OG dunks, well, not a lot of people, it is just in general. The real OG dunks, you see this tab right here for the eyelids, this goes over this right here. So this is not even relevant on OG Dunks. But me personally, I like it. I like it right here. So I like to put, you know what I mean, the string on the inside. Check it out. See how I did with that? I don't know. It just gives off a bulkier, cool, hype beastie-ish look. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. So what we're gonna do first is go in the top eyelets right, I mean the front of the shoe right here. That's what we're gonna do, go all the way up. And y'all know how I like the lace. I go from the in to the out, just like that. Always, I'm sorry, from the out to the in. I'm bugging, always. Make sure you nice and even. See that? Just get even right there. And now what we're gonna do is just loose lace the rest of the shoe. Alright, as y'all can see, I loose laced all the way up to about right here. Now is where we come to the diamond shape pattern right here, as y'all can see. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our crisscross in here. Through right here, just like that. As you can see what I did, went through just like that. Now I'm gonna come from the inside over this one and it's gonna make a cross, just like that. And look, you're gonna need about this much string right here. Probably about an inch and a half left of string right here. And that's how you're gonna do it. So you can loose lace the rest of your job. See how that turned out? See how that turned out just like that? That's what we're looking for, just like that. There you have it, just like this. Now you see this excess string, you go down and you make them evenly. Check this out. Now everything is even. This is exactly how I lace my Nike SB Dunks, just like that. Alright y'all, I hope you guys liked that video. Hope y'all liked that lacing tutorial. Hey, that's what I try to tell y'all. You always gotta keep it laced, fire. Dress up your shoes, make it look fire. But before we go, let me show y'all a quick on foot and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video out there. So for now, it is your boy, Mr. Entertainment, still bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.